Welcome to the channel. Be Angry, But Don't Blow It by Lisa Bevere is a transformative book that provides insights and practical guidance on how to handle and express anger in a healthy and constructive way. With a blend of personal experiences, biblical teachings, and psychological principles, Bevere offers a fresh perspective on anger and empowers readers to harness this powerful emotion for positive change. The book begins by debunking common misconceptions about anger, emphasizing that anger itself is not sinful, but rather how we choose to express and direct it. Bevere highlights that anger can be a God-given emotion, serving as a catalyst for justice, restoration, and personal growth when channeled appropriately. Bevere addresses the root causes of anger and explores its various manifestations, such as suppressed anger, explosive anger, and passive-aggressive behavior. She encourages readers to identify the triggers behind their anger, whether it be unmet expectations, injustice, or personal wounds, and offers practical steps to process and release these emotions. One key aspect of the book is the distinction between righteous and unrighteous anger. Bevere explains that righteous anger aligns with God's heart and arises from a genuine concern for justice and truth. Unrighteous anger, on the other hand, is driven by selfish motives and seeks to harm others. By understanding this distinction, readers can discern when their anger is justified and when it needs to be surrendered to God for transformation. Bevere delves into the detrimental effects of unresolved anger on individuals and relationships. She explores how uncontrolled anger can lead to bitterness, resentment, and destructive behaviors, affecting not only one's emotional well-being, but also personal and professional relationships. Through personal anecdotes and biblical examples, she demonstrates the importance of dealing with anger proactively to prevent it from damaging our lives. The book offers a step-by-step process for handling anger in a healthy and constructive manner. Bevere guides readers through the stages of acknowledging and validating their anger, examining their motives, and taking responsibility for their emotions. She emphasizes the significance of forgiveness, both towards oneself and others, as a means of releasing anger and finding healing. Furthermore, Bevere explores the role of communication in managing anger. She provides practical tips for expressing anger assertively and honestly, while maintaining respect and empathy for others. By promoting healthy dialogue and active listening, she encourages readers to build stronger relationships and resolve conflicts effectively. Throughout the book, Bevere weaves in biblical teachings and stories, illustrating how figures such as Jesus and Paul dealt with anger and its consequences. She draws lessons from their experiences and highlights the redemptive power of God's grace in transforming anger into love, forgiveness, and restoration. Be Angry, But Don't Blow It concludes with a powerful call to action. Bevere challenges readers to embrace their God-given emotions, including anger, and use them as catalysts for positive change. She encourages readers to advocate for justice, pursue healthy boundaries, and channel their anger into constructive action that brings about personal growth and societal transformation. In summary, Be Angry But Don't Blow It is a thought-provoking and practical guide to understanding and managing anger. Lisa Bevere empowers readers to harness the power of this complex emotion, offering insights, biblical wisdom, and actionable steps to express anger in a healthy and redemptive manner. By embracing their anger and learning to navigate it wisely, readers can transform their lives, relationships, and the world around them. Hope you liked our content and thank you for watching. Like, share, comment, and subscribe our channel. For more updates, hit the notification bell.